Looking for recipe inspiration? You can ask Alexa. Just enable the Instant Pot skill in the Alexa app to look for recipes, get ingredient lists, and step-by-step instructions. Alexa, ask Instant Pot for pulled pork recipes.
There are 6 pulled pork recipes. Would you like to hear the recipes?
Yes. For better flavor, saute your meats and vegetables before you cook them. This saute feature has 3 different settings for different purposes. Use normal for browning meat or vegetables. Use more for higher heat to brown or stir fry. And use less to simmer and reduce liquids. There's been a lot of debate about this, but the general rule is to always add at least 1 cup of liquid to the pot, no matter what you're cooking. The total volume of pre-cooked food and liquid should not pass the 2/3 line. If you're cooking food that expands during cooking, like rice, don't fill the pot past the half line. Most Instant Pot recipes have a very short cooking time, but that doesn't include the time it takes for the pot to come to pressure and then release the pressure once cooking is done. To figure out how long your recipe will take from start to finish, add about 10 to 15 minutes to the cooking time. Some recipes will have you manually release the pressure when the cooking time is done. To stay safe, always use a pot holder or a towel to turn the valve. When the cooking time is done and the pressure has been released, there will be condensation on the underside of the lid. Open the lid and slide it into the little slot on the handle so that condensation doesn't get all over your counter. The inner pot can go in the dishwasher, but you should hand wash the lid and all of its components. After every cooking cycle, remove the seal and anti-block shield to thoroughly clean the lid.